Ah, awesome. Hey everybody, welcome back. Let me tell you, I got the most awesome morning here today. The sun is shining, it's beautiful. I'm camping on a river, can't beat it. So last days and days now, we've been surrounded by smoke from all the fires, but maybe the wind changed. I got beautiful sunshine. Now I can charge my batteries. I'm a happy camper. And I got a place here I'm camping with good cell signal, which is really hard to find up in the Yukon. So that's it. We're just gonna have some breakfast, do some coffee. We're gonna chill out here for maybe another day, take advantage of this cell signal, and then probably head over to Whitehorse. See you over there. Yep. It is time to move on. So we're at this spot here, which is pretty cool, right on the river. Got a cell phone signal, good sunshine. The sun's been out, so I've been taking, I spent 3 nights here, just relaxing. I was able to edit, have my batteries charged, got a bunch of stuff done. But now we're gonna get moving, head into Alaska. So really my plan is Segway, Alaska, which is the lower part. I'm gonna head in there probably for 1 day, maybe 2. So I can pick up a package at the post office, my controller. And I'm gonna be so happy. Then we're gonna get back into Canada again. And I'm thinking maybe we'll head up to the Dempster Highway and head to the Arctic Ocean. Pretty cool. All right, away we go. Let's see if we can find our way out of here. So I got about 125 miles to my next campsite, and it looks like this site is, I can camp on a small stream. Hopefully I can get some good fishing in, catch some more grayling. Just found this campsite on this lake. Pretty cool. We're camping here, and I got the lake here. I got a pretty good rainstorm coming in. It's starting to rain now, so I gotta unpack and batten down the hatches. Oh man, I got a lot of smoke here. Must be another forest fire somewhere down the road. Smoke is really coming in pretty bad. So, but we're gonna be out of here tomorrow. So I tried fishing this a little bit. Didn't do too good. Spot here is not really good for fishing. So basically, this whole area on this beach here, I walked out about 100 feet and it was still only about 3 feet of water. It's just way too shallow. So last time I checked, my package was supposed to be delivered sometime late today to the post office in Skagway in Alaska. But I got no cell signal now. What a bummer. So we're gonna leave here, head into Whitehorse, do some shopping. I'll have a cell signal there and I can tell. So if the package is in, then I'll probably get a campsite, find a campsite like really close to the border into Alaska and spend the night there. That way I can get up real early in the morning and then drive right into Alaska, spend the day there, pick up my package. I think I'll treat myself to breakfast in the morning, kind of explore the city a little bit, and then get back out and get into Canada again. Man, I got a crazy storm coming in. Holy crap. Wind picked up, can't see anything, got a lot of smoke. So with wind like this, it's never good for it's never a good thing when there's a forest fire around. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we won't get the rangers coming in and getting emergency evacuated out. We'll see. It's amazing how fast this weather changes. This morning It was beautiful sunshine. It was beautiful out. Then the smoke came in, and now I got the storm, so we're taking shelter inside the Jeep, having a beer. I'm just gonna watch a movie. Yep, we're back on the road again. So we left this spot. It's another cloudy, rainy day. I'm not gonna see the sun today, I don't think, but what are you gonna do? So we're gonna make our way to Whitehorse, or at least hopefully I can find a cell phone signal and I can figure out, oh, nice river here, figure out that if my package has been delivered or not. Supposedly it was delivered late Saturday, but I haven't had a cell phone signal to check it. But I've had packages delivered priority mail that took 3 weeks because it got lost in the mail. So let's hope for the best. We are coming into the town of Whitehorse. How cool is this? In the Yukon. Found the place to camp. It's beautiful, crazy windy though. Man, I just had crazy thunderstorm for hours just came through here. It is windy, it is freezing. I had to get my winter gear out. My battery just died on the GoPro. Who would figure? Hopefully tomorrow morning when I wake up, the sun will be out, no wind. This lake will be like glass. We can only hope. Yep, it's the morning. Wind died down. Sun is coming up, but it's still pretty overcast. So we're breaking camp. We're going to Alaska. See you in Alaska. Oh, cool. We're in Alaska. Woo! And it's cold. I think we're going to explore Segway a little bit. There are a ton of cruise ships here. That's why this place is a tourist trap, man. All these people on these boats are all over the place in the town. I don't know, you taking a cruise? That's cheating. I mean, the drive here is just awesome. I just drove out of Skagway. There's nothing there. It's just little tiny shops for the tourists. It's just not my scene at all. But man, with all those cruise ships there, the people coming in, they gotta be doing pretty good. But I did get my new DC to DC controller. I am so happy. Now we just gotta find a place to camp and hook it up. I just passed the sign where it says welcome to Alaska, where I took my picture. And I was there was nobody there. but as I just passed it now, there was 3 big tour buses there. That place was just mobbed with people. I'm so happy I got there just at the right time. So I'm going to be headed into British Columbia again, and then to Yukon. Let's hope I got to go through the border crossing. Let's see they let me back in. Oh, looks like I got a line to get back into Canada. I just caught this awesome grayling. Nice size. And we're gonna cook him up and fillet him. Oh. Got 2 nice fillets. Awesome. So we're just gonna do a little salt, a little pepper, and we got some broccoli, asparagus. Oh boy. Yep, drinking my last bottle of a good stout that I got from the States. There's no way I'm ever gonna find something like this in Canada, but it's gonna be good with this fish. Hey, I got here freshly caught grayling right out of the lake. Ooh, I know I never usually keep my fish, but hey, you know. Oh my God, that is so good. That's better than I expected. So this is my view from the back of my Jeep. I know, pretty awesome, huh? Yeah, we got one here. It's a nice grayling. Oof. Come on, buddy. Oh, we lost him. I think that's enough fishing for today. It's starting to get late and I'm freezing. So I haven't been using my waders. I've been wet wading, walking in just with my sneakers on. And that water is cold and my legs are numb. All right, time to break camp. Time to leave this beautiful spot here, surrounded by mountains on a beautiful lake. But we're gonna break camp. We're gonna head up to Whitehorse. We're gonna do some shopping, some laundry, resupply. And then after that, we're gonna head up to Dawson City and to the Dempster Highway. But I did mount my my solar controller, my new one. Check it out. So I got everything mounted and everything, but I can't do anything because I need a cell phone signal to do an upgrade before I can do anything, of course. And I got no instructions because you have to download the instructions. So my first thing is to find a cell signal so I can get all this stuff done. Hey everybody. So, as I'm heading towards Dawson City, found this cool campsite here. It's in the middle of nowhere, and I guess this was an old hunting camp. So I'm assuming right there, that's where they used to hang. Probably moose, maybe grizzly, who knows. And right there is the Yukon River. Yukon River. This is one big ass river, man. All right, we're back on the road. Gonna get out of this spot, get on the highway, and head north. I just drove into a spot. I thought it would have been good. It looked like it was on a lake, which it was. What a tiny little lake, beautiful. But it's a small area. There was a little bit too many people camping there. Everybody was hogging up the whole entrance to get to the lake. So we're moving on. I got about 125 more miles to go to hit Dawson City. So we'll see what happens. Looks like I got another dust problem. Ha! So I passed the Dempster Highway about 25 miles back. So I can wanted to drive into. Oops, just went the wrong way. So I can drive into Dawson City. So let's take a quick tour of this the city. Yep, we made it to the Dempster Highway. Now we got about 575 miles to go. Get to the Arctic Ocean.